You know, if I say something, I mean it.
Newton's second law states that the total change of an object's motion or position is equal to the sum of all forces acting on that object. As a football flies through the air, the forces acting on it are constantly changing, except gravity. As the quarterback releases the ball, inertia is the greatest force acting on it. That is why it travels upward. As the football reaches its highest point, inertia weakens due to air resistance. Gravity then takes over and pulls the ball back towards the earth. Newton's laws help dictate the pattern of all moving objects, including footballs. The path of a football's flight is not random. It is the result of the physical force of inertia, air resistance, and gravity. Newton's first law of motion states that an object in motion will stay in motion unless acted upon by an outside force. The basic flight pattern of a football is the shape of a parabola. This shows that there is a bend in the football's movement through the air. Newton's first law applies here because there are outside forces like air resistance to keep the ball from traveling in a straight line. Newton's third law tells us that for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. This is shown through a football's lift, which helps it fly higher and longer. Lift occurs when air is moving around an object. As a football moves sideways through the air, it is upward motion forces more air under the ball, which creates a buoyant force, which is why quarterbacks throw at an upward angle.
You're more like Vodka Punch. Geez, dope, you might blow up. Think I know, I've got a hunch. On my side, it's thought in it. You try to stump, but it's all rent it. But sure dope, you got a bad chick, yeah, cool, bro, we all get it. She wears a ring, came through without it. You really think she stays true? I doubt it. Cause I'm your girlfriend, and there's nothing you can do about it.
Projectile motion is used when the football travels through the air. It always follows a curved or parabolic path because the movement of the ball in the vertical direction is influenced by the force of gravity. As the ball travels up, gravity slows it down until it stops briefly at its peak height. The ball then comes down, and gravity accelerates it until it hits the ground.
You know